अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज का पॉलिटिकल साइंस का पेपर 2 के MCQs हम करने जा रहे हैं। फर्स्ट MCQs है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ अमेरिकन सिस्टम ऑफ गवर्नमेंट? फेडरल रिपब्लिक, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल रिपब्लिक, पार्लियामेंट्री सिस्टम और नन ऑफ दीज। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन 3, पार्लियामेंट्री सिस्टम। उनका सिस्टम ऑफ गवर्नमेंट नहीं है। सेकेंड हमारे पास, जर्मनी इज क्लासिफाइड एज बीइंग अ फेडरल पार्लियामेंट्री डेमोक्रेसी, अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल मोनार्की, अ प्रेसिडेंशियल स्टेट, नन ऑफ दीज। इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन और आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, अ फेडरल पार्लियामेंट्री डेमोक्रेसी। थर्ड हमारे पास है, जर्मनी हैज़ अ लोअर हाउस ऑफ पार्लियामेंट नोन एज बुंडेसरात, बुंडेस्टेज, रेस्टेग और none of these. Sorry, this one is wrong. None of these is the fourth option. So the correct option is option 2, Bundestag is the lower house of Germany. The next MCQs is, France is classified as being a semi-presidential system, a presidential system, a constitutional monarchy, none of these. The correct option is option 1, a semi-presidential system. Fifth one is, in the French political system, executive power is exercised by parliament, presidency, senate or none of these. The correct option is option 2, presidency. Sixth is, which of the following is not member of the UK? Wales, Scotland, Ireland or none of these. The correct option is Ireland is not member of the UK. Northern Ireland is part of the UK, but Ireland is not member of the UK. So correct option is option 3. Seventh is, in the UK, monarch is classified as being the head of the state, the head of the government, the head of the Protestant church, none of these. The correct option is option 1, the head of the state. Eighth is, the IMF has a series of economic recommendations for states which are structural adjustment, structural modifiers, structural realignments or none of these. The correct option is structural adjustments. Ninth is, which of the following state is not member of the IMF? Turkey, Nepal, Argentina or none of these. The correct option is none of these. All of the three mentioned states are member of the IMF. So fourth is the correct option for this question. 10th one is, which country is highest financially indebted state to the IMF? Cyprus, Pakistan, Russia or none of these. So none of these is the correct option because Argentina is the highest indebted state to the IMF. 11th is, the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank is an alternative donor institution to the World Bank, a commercial bank, a private investment house or none of these. So Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank is not a commercial, not a private investment house. It is an alternative donor institution to the World Bank. So option 1 is correct. 12th is, the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank is primarily involved in providing loans to infrastructure development projects, providing loans for member states involved in infrastructure development projects associated with BRI, providing monetary assistance to any state irrespective of institutional membership or none of these. The correct option is option 2, providing loans for member state involved in infrastructure development projects associated with BRI. 13th is, the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank currently has 111 members, 110 member states or 109 member states or none of these. The correct option and answer is answer 109 members, option 3. 14th is, the World Trade Organization is successor organization to German Agreement on Trade, General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade, Mercosur, none of these. The correct answer is General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade, option 2. 15th is, the European Union is successor organization to European Economic Community, European Economic and Political Community, European Coal and Steel Community or none of these. The correct option is option 1, European Economic Community. 16th is, the European Union is legally incorporated through which of the following? The Treaty of Rome, Treaty of Paris, Maastricht Treaty or none of these. The correct option is option 3, Maastricht Treaty. 17th is, the European Commission serves as an advisory body to the European Council of Ministers, a legislative body for the European Union, an executive body of the European Union, or none of these? The correct option is option 3, an executive body of the European Union. 18th is, which of the following is an issue that is part of the agenda being pursued by the institutions classified as being part of the global civil society? Minority rights, tariff rates in energy sector, oil extraction rates in Middle East, or none of these? The correct option is option 1, minority rights. 19th is, the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, ASEAN, is classified as a political security community, an economic community, a socio-cultural community, or none of these? The correct option is option 2, an economic community. Last one is, the current global system of trade is underpinned with which ideological ethos? Liberalism, neoliberalism, libertarianism, और नन ऑफ दीज? द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन 2, न्यू लिबरलिज्म। तो ये था आज का हमारे पॉलिटिकल साइंस का पेपर 2 के MCQs। इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट पेपर में मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।